What's up, you guys? So today I'm going to make a video showing you how I make my rice water and also how I treat my hair with it. As many of you guys know, I recently went from natural to relaxed, and I did promise you guys that I would update you on my regimen as I go along. I'm just trying to learn how to take care of my hair to get it back thick and full like it was before going natural. So for the rice water, I had a pot of rice and I filled the pot up with water. I let the pot of rice sit for, I'm going to say, in between 24 and 26 hours. And you guys, this stuff stinks really bad. I'm talking horrid. It's almost worse than apple cider vinegar. Once I let it sit and ferment for a while, I get a stocking cap. You can use a strainer, but I decided to use a stocking cap just for people who don't have a strainer and they want to use the next best thing that they have. Stocking cap. So I used this stocking cap and I wrapped it around the bowl so it can drain out the water from the rice without getting the rice inside of the bowl. Then I poured the water from the bowl into a container. You can put it into any kind of container with a lid. I use a jar because it seals it in tight, and then I set each jar into the refrigerator to stop it from fermenting. That's where I keep the excess that I'm not using. Make sure your hair is clean before using the rice water because you want it to be able to penetrate through each strand and on your scalp. You don't want your strands to have buildup. You want your strands to be clean so that all that goodness and nutrients can get inside of those strands, penetrate those strands, and do what it do. I got a dark container and I filled it up halfway with the rice water. I proceeded to spray my whole scalp and all of my strands until they were drenched wet. Words cannot express how stank, how bad this stuff stinks. But I'm a tough one, so I'm gonna tough it out. I'm just waiting on the results. After I spray my whole head, and then I get a shower cap. Cover your whole head just so it won't be dripping everywhere. Also so that it can lock in all that moisture and you can go about the rest of your day around the house as you please. I let this sit on my hair for about an hour. And then after, I rinse it out. No shampoo, no nothing. I just rinse it out with warm water. I take any remaining rice water and I put it back into the container and back into the refrigerator. I clean out my bottle and then I fill my bottle up halfway with water. And then I take my favorite conditioner and I put just a drop of that inside of the water. And then maybe a drop of any type of essential oil that I like to use. And I like to use quite a few. I shake the bottle up really good to mix all of that in and create that concoction. Once my hair is rinsed out, then I would spray my hair. What you decide to do next is up to you. You can either let it sit for about 10 minutes and then rinse it out, or like in my case, I plan to leave it in as a leave-in conditioner because I'm going to go the rest of this week without straightening my hair. So if I'm not going to straighten it, more than likely I'm going to keep it in like a bun So I don't mind it drying into my hair because it's not going to be bone straight. This is my video. You guys stay tuned for more videos. And for those of you wondering, so far I've done this treatment twice a week. So thank you guys so much for watching. Check me out on my other social media accounts under TEEDAY6, under Snapchat, under the real TEEDAY6. And you guys have a blessed day. Bye.